Yo, what's up? Alright, so now we are in Canggu area. Oh my god, we are stuck in traffic. Traffic is back.
However, anyway, today is vlog number 200.
Yeah, 200. So we decided to go to Canggu.
Just chill.
To have lunch.
Months actually, 200 is like more than half year already without any day off. Yeah. So I hope so we can make it till 1 year without a day off. So it will be another 5 months.
I'll show you how's the traffic. So we are in Canggu area. Well, actually we plan to go to Brawa. Look at Damian driving style. Are you still chilled, yeah?
Yeah, what to do is just traffic lah.
Hello bro! Chill out my friend. Oh, look at you girl. Go! So if you have ever been to Canggu, this is the famous intersection, junction, something like that in Canggu, where there is no traffic light. Well, you drive using your own feeling. Welcome to the jungle of Canggu. I can see the jungle.
So we just arrived to the doors. Unfortunately it's 3:05 and we late for the 50k lunch. Yes honey, 5 minutes, can you imagine? So sucks. Alright, so we late for the lunch.
Yeah,
okay, we're gonna
the traffic actually.
Okay, I wanted to buy t-shirt but the prices are go up. Almost 400k I think, because this is the festive season right now. Anyway,
why you need to buy another shirt? You have your own brand.
Yeah, I think Winnie's right. I have my own brand now. My t-shirts are also nice with the Mr. and Mrs. Monkeys logo, right? So, okay, we're gonna go to different place. Yes, honey?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's try something different now. So we decided we're gonna go to Penny Lane, which is actually quite new restaurant. I mean, about 1 year old. And this area where we are walking now, it's actually a, if you go this way, is the Delone restaurant. And I remember a few years ago, exactly here was not, well, it was not road like this, was just like a bumpy, muddy road, and it was completely nothing. But now it's so busy here. Yes, honey?
Yeah. So now we are going to the most busiest restaurant
in Canggu area.
It's called Penny Lane.
Actually,
that's
it's
Instagrammable spot. As I told you before, if restaurant is Instagrammable, many people will come. Let's see how busy it is.
So that's how it looked like. I got a little bit complaint as I go up, however that's how it looked like. Winnie is making pictures of someone. Yeah, it's quite busy over here. So we ordered the Pablo Escobar, good name by the way, Pablo Escobar French fries with the salsa, sour cream, stuff like this.
This one with the avocado.
Avocado, guacamole and stuff like this. Very nice stuff. However, as you can see behind, actually almost everywhere except Winnie, she just enjoy her food. Everybody just enjoy the picture session for Instagram. So like I already said a few times, nowadays in Bali, if you make a place who is Instagram friendly, you are the winner. If you're gonna do something classic, it may be a little bit difficult, yeah. I'm so sorry to say that, but I can see
nowadays, you know,
this
you
is
get more likes in your Instagram or in your social media, you are the best.
people coming for pictures, and I will show you quickly. As you can see, literally everywhere is just the pictures, 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 and it's actually not this place. It's not belongs to the most cheapest one, but it's full house, so that means something, right? As you can see, it's quite difficult now even to have a lunch because somebody making picture. So we moved. This is actually La Brisa over here, and here few months ago was the cows and the land.
House field.
And now is the huge.
2 months ago, 2 months or 3 months ago, if I'm not mistaken.
Few months ago, yeah.
Yeah, the last time when we were here, we went to La Brisa actually, and look at now. Now it's just like
become the huge parking area, and it's 20k. Could you imagine 20k for this? This is like in Europe, lah.
You know, the most expensive car park.
Yeah,
actually.
so far since I live in Bali, this is the most expensive parking fee I ever pay. But it's okay, it's okay. We're gonna go now to the beach.
It's high season, maybe.
Maybe
look at
because
the car, almost full.
Maybe because this is some expensive land, you know. Anyway, we're gonna go to the beach having some bean times because we celebrate today number 200 vlog, right, honey?
Yeah.
Are you excited about it?
Yeah. Let's see.
Okay, let's go.
Kita ada tunggu nanti ke tante-tante. Look at this lady actually. She's so nice. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
So whenever you are in Canggu, especially daerah apa ini Kimo?
Onte Prarenan.
Perarenan.
It's already
Warung
Pererenan.
Bambu Mia ya.
Warung Bambu Mia ya. So yeah.
And if you speak Balinese, she will put you on her private Instagram. So.
And then she will-
Ramah dong sama
She will
pelanggan.
give you, you know, she will give you special discount.
So watch my video when I
We have
teach you
like
how
happy
to speak.
hour. Happy hour cocktail mobil.
Alright.
Radler 2.
Gimana ya bro?
Alright, so we're having bintangs and chilling in the very local tourist place, because now everything has changed in Bali. If you notice already, maybe the places who previously was typically tourist places, like expensive, very fancy restaurants, cafes, bar for the foreigner tourists, become now very local tourist places. So
Which
people
is meaning like many local or domestic tourists come to the fancy places like the
Having-
next door to La Brisa just to make a picture.
Exactly.
But now look at, now is it, you know, the small warung next to the famous cafe. So now many bule just come there just to chill out
Basically,
because
yeah.
of, you know, much cheaper price with no tax. You know, even the local warung, they don't really have much tax for that. So yeah.
basically everything has changed 360 degree. Literally, that's how it look like. Now, tell me guys, what do you think? What do you prefer, to having a chill in the very fancy restaurant like we showed you before, or you more likely sit here watching sunset on the beach, having
In the
bintang?
local warung
Very local place.
and bintangs and
Peanut.
peanut.
And that you like this? Comment below, what do you think? Actually, sunset maybe not the best today, however we make a cheers, and thank you so much for watching us for 200 times. It's a quite big number.
So this is the vlog 200 actually. So thank you guys for watching. That's all our video for today, and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, 200. See ya, take care.
Oh,
Honey,
it's so
you got
dark.
a dog?
Huh?
Honey, you got a dog?
He's sneezing. Achoo.